Hi there, Ruth, once more. Just a quick hack for the RoadLoft, and then in particular the small table that is included with it. And let me show you what happened. This little flap came off last weekend during our camping trip, and actually this is what it's supposed to look like. So it's supposed to just hinge, and over time, these screw holes, and the same here, they start to wear out. So my little hack is to get a match, kind of break it in pieces. So here's some pieces, and then some wood glue, and then just put them in, and then let the wood glue dry, and these little match pieces are inserted, and then put those screws back in. We lost two of them, but I have a lot of spare screws, so I'll figure out what to put in there. They just require, I know they're little bit less of a Phillips head, but a Phillips screwdriver will still work. So I'm just gonna put them back in, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. And here's where it ended up. So put like wood glue in here and like some of these match pieces. I found like two somewhat matching Phillips screws that are not too long because it's not very thick. So yeah, just wanted to show you how I put this together. I'll just do a little cleanup, and then well, it can hinge once again, and also the magnet still works. So put it back in, put it inside the van, and life goes on. Thank you.